many foreigners also visit Korea. The reason is that experience the cultural festivals are dangerous and widely known in Korea. Korea recommended tourist attractions include Seoul, Gyeongju, Incheon, and Pyeongchang. If you take subway to Seoul, you can get there quickly. Seoul is the capital of Korea. There is a wonderful river view on the Han River, and you can enjoy the wonderful view of Seoul at Namsan Tower, and you can experience various things at the hotel. And I usually go to Gyeongju by car. There are Chamsongdae, Dabutap, and Sakatap. Chamsongdae is a place that contains various traditional cultures. I am going to Gyeongju in July, so I will be very hot, so I don't recommend to go in summer. There is a big sea in Incheon, so it is also famous for moonboats, family boats, and swimming. On my birthday, I went to Incheon and I recommend it because I felt very good when I ride shiny boats. The last is Pyeongchang. In Pyeongchang, there are many skiing, cable car, and autumn mountain. When cable car is going up, we can see mountains. It's fun to me. Also, in January, I went to skiing for first time, and it was so cool and fun. Conclusion, I think these 4 places is best tourist attractions. Thank you for listening my presentation.